penny stocks, I found another company which we're going to cover, Drone. This is a drone delivery company based out in Canada. It's trading 53 cents per share. As you can see, the market cap is 102.53 million, which is considered low. 52-week range is 34 cents to 87 cents. And I'm just gonna go through this, and the industry it's in is computer hardware. I'm going to click on the website, and like I mentioned before in the other video, that I want to know who the CEO is, how long the company been on the market. Also I know I've been getting into like details because I do short videos, but common sense, you want to find out their revenue, the income statement, financial statement, the 3 to 5 years chart, and more details after that, and see if the company's doing any partnership closing deals. So much to learn about. So this is their website right here, and I'm just going to take a little skim through this so you guys can see. And if you have any feedback on or thoughts on like drones, to my opinion, will continue to increase. I watch a few sci-fi movies, and it's unbelievable what's to come next in a few years coming ahead of us. Unbelievable.
Welcome to Drone Delivery Canada. Are you shipping goods that are time sensitive? Struggling with delivery in remote locations? Costly last mile logistics? Missing out on untapped markets? Reduce your shipping cost, improve operational efficiency, and uncover new revenue opportunities, while never sacrificing on reliability. The last mile can define a company's profit or loss, and only one solution truly rises above the rest. Drone Delivery Canada is a logistics management company that offers a turnkey drone delivery solution, providing you with hardware, software, and services, and is the first drone logistics company to achieve compliant operator status by Transport Canada. Employing a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week operations control center, DDC's flight management software has the capability to monitor and manage all of your deliveries globally. Our preferred business model is commercial deliveries to predetermined locations, where your cargo will travel without the requirement for a paved road or the hassle of sitting in traffic. Think of it like a railway in the sky. Using our proprietary drone spot technology, Drone Delivery Canada ensures a safe takeoff and landing. With our expanding fleet of drones, Drone Delivery Canada addresses the bulk of your last mile delivery needs. With payloads up to 180 kilograms, covering distances of up to 200 kilometers, and with more drone models in development, Drone Delivery Canada is in a unique position to help you deliver in a way never before imagined. In today's market, Drone Delivery Canada is perfectly positioned for a wide range of applications in Canada and globally, with our all-in-one logistics solution for delivering goods across the last mile, in hard-to-access locations, and when time is of the essence. Let's make the last mile the quickest and safest mile on your cargo's journey, reimagining the way you deliver. Drone Delivery Canada. Innovation is taking flight.
So there you have it right there. That was just a introduction on the website. And like I said, this is a penny stock. So like say if your target was to buy 100 shares or even more, you could definitely more than triple your money. I see this as long term, and that's why all I want to basically cover right now. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. You make the decision to invest at your own risk. I do my own research, and we'll just take it from there. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like. See you soon.